A student came to me to do a project for a science fair competition in his school. I was very happy by seeing his interest. We started discussing about many projects. But when I asked about budget, he really surprised me. I was shocked when he said he will afford up to 200 rupees, which is too low to make a DIY robot. When I saw his interest, I didn't feel like avoiding him. So I promised that I will make a model. So in this video, I will show how I created such a model within the budget. Let's move into the video. As an initial step, I searched on Google for a robot below 200 rupees. But I failed to find a fine project. There was hundreds of projects titled robot under 200 rupees. But all of them were fake. Then I decided to design myself. The first problem was Arduino won't be used as its cost exceed our limit. The modules like ultrasonic sensor, proximity sensor cannot be used as it all need Arduino to work. After a bit of research, I created a circuit that consists of an LDR and a BC547 transistor. Actually, there is a circuit of a light sensor. So I connected to a DC motor and tested the circuit. As expected, it works. But always remember to use a flyback diode in the output, otherwise it will damage your transistor. Finally, the circuit is ready. The price of a circuit is 10 rupees. We need 2 such circuits. Now, let's understand the circuit. It consists of an LDR, BC547 transistor and a 100K resistor. The sensing component in the circuit is LDR. The resistance of LDR depends on the intensity or brightness of light incident on it. The relation is of inverse proportionality. We use the resistance in series with LDR to convert the change in resistance of LDR to change in voltage. This change in voltage at the common point is used as the triggerer by connecting it to the base of the transistor. So that's about the circuit. Here I used the cheap bow motor to reduce the cost, and for robot body I used a cardboard piece from trash. Then I connected motor and circuit together to the chassis. To avoid unwanted surrounding light, I masked the LDR with a black tape. So finally, our model is ready. Now it's short time. Its working was impressive, but I missed a 10K potentiometer to set the threshold value. I was afraid that the transistor will burn due to the overcurrent, but after 10 minutes of use, it didn't burn. Also, this is not a perfect circuit. It have its own limitations and problems as we want to finish it below 200 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any idea about a robotic project in this price range, please comment below. Thank you.